This beautiful home is located in Greer Ranch development in Murrieta, California. The area has mature trees, a beautiful community pool and spa, and lush landscaping. Hi, it's Stormer with the Stormer Group at First Team Real Estate. I have a new listing for you today. It's at 27033 Pumpkin Street, Murrieta, California, located in the Greer Ranch community. Let's take a look around. The beautiful home boasts 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a custom office design with 3,532 square feet of living space. The family room is spacious with hardwood floors, built-in media niche with fireplace, woodworking, and stunning coffered ceilings. The area opens to an upgraded kitchen with lots of counter space. There is a separate bedroom and upgraded bathroom on the main floor tucked away for privacy. The curved stairwell leads you to the upper floor with a loft and balcony that has a beautiful view of Murrieta. The master suite has a sitting room and keeps you separated from the other rooms. The master ensuite is very spacious with dual sinks, a soaker tub, and separate shower with privacy glass.